Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of all these. Okay. What do I do with the... Ah, there. Scissors. I'll start off with the first one. Oops. Don't want to dox myself by showing that. Actually, wait, can I just... Yeah, actually... Oh. If I can get a hold of the damn thing. So, a loose piece of tape up here. And fuck it. Just, yeah. Tear right into that shit. Okay. Fucking hell. Give me a sec, because this is really tough tape. And there's a lot of it. The fuck? Damn. There. Wait, hold on a sec. What did this do? Okay. Dallas, Texas. Okay. Oh, here it is. Aha. This is a piece for Humanine's Roadbuster, specifically his thruster. It's the flame missile part. I need to get a hold of a Roadbuster, Humanine's Roadbuster now, because I've been trying to get one, and either he'll be completely missing or not, and he'll be mostly there, but he's have the thruster missing weapon, or the thruster missing missile, or he'll have the missile but no thruster, and then it'll be that again, but then he'll be also missing parts, missile, no thruster, and also other parts he's missing, which is very annoying. So for the hell of it, I've searched up the missile piece, found one, got that. Now I just need to find one that doesn't have the missile and is decently priced and good to go. See, this next one came from Merch CA. What's that? This can either be Canada or California. I tell you, there's some grade A tape right here, right? Go ahead and get this shit real quick. There. Toss that one over there. Oh. This one is Transformers Rise of the Beasts Cheetor. For some reason I was thinking this one was this other one that also came today, but no, that one's actually, and most likely, right here. Which I'll be opening next. Let's see. This missile and that one I just had on camera. actually came today while this one and one of these came Thursday, and then these two came Saturday. So there's that. I actually got this for a decent price too, compared to all the other ones, which were ridiculous priced. I didn't, and I got them without the instructions or packed in box because I honestly don't really care to keep the boxes anymore. I've just been getting rid of them. Why does it look like part of his one arm is broke? Anyway, let's see. This next one came from St. Cloud, what's that? Minnesota. I like to read where they came from. This next one isn't really that much of a surprise because I'm kind of addicted to collecting these guys. It's Transformers Studios. It's Transformers 3 series. Transformers Dark of the Moon Deluxe Class. Wow, that's really in there. I almost said Berserker, but no. Crowbar. That was like my fourth one I got now. I'm not obsessed with the dreads. Okay, now I need these are a few small ones, which I think I'll go with this one, which came from what? Brockton, New York. I have a friend of mine, or I have a friend who lives in New York. I believe it's Bronx, New York, or in the Bronx section. Okay, which one are you going to be? I'm gonna check that off later. What the hell is this inside? Oh, good, that came off. So that one. Anyway, what is this? All right. Okay, this is this is the one that I bid on and won. Oh, hey, it does come with this instructions. Cool. This is Transformers Hunt for Decepticons Backfire. Complete. Oh, I love coloring on that. Well, the color scheme. And because that one was in that one, I know exactly what's in this one. Huh. This one also came from Austin, Texas. I know someone who lives in Texas too. Though I can't get a hold of him. Oh, shit. Packing peanuts. Okay. This one is... That's gonna be fun. This one is Transformers Dark Moon. There you are. Legion class Starscream. I've already have him, so. But even though it's Starscream, it won't be for long. Yeah, I've been trying to get a hold of another one of these. I wonder, is that all that's in here? Yep, that's all that's in there. And I'm making a mess. I'm gonna use both hands so I can get this shit picked up faster. Come on. Ah, there sure is a lot of that in there. I'm just gonna put you over there so I don't accidentally spill you. And there's another piece. Let's go with this smaller one because I'm saving the best for last. Ah, shit. This was something else that I took and bit on in one. And why the hell? What the? Okay, so inside the box is a package. Oh. Oh, what the fuck? I swear this is broken. I'm gonna be pissed. Because who the hell just puts it in there? Yeah, no. What the how the hell is this going here? That's loose as fucking shit. That's not staying on either. Yeah, thanks, dude. That's fucked up. Anyways, Transformers Studio Series Deluxe Class Transformers Rise of the Beasts Eraser. So, yeah. Yeah, even this is all messed up. Like, dude, that ain't right. I mean, you can pretty much count that as damaged goods, right? This is really loose and yeah. Where the hell did that come from anyway? Warren, Ohio. Oh, hi ho. Now the best one. this damage anyway. And this one I've been trying to get a hold of for a while. Got scalped. Plantation, Florida. I mean, it got scalped in my area, and also went on sale for dirt cheap alleys and places. This is doxed if I don't fucking do this right. Transformers Legacy Velocitron Speedia 500 Leader Class. The hell? Anyway, enough of the trash. Oh look, yay, more packing peanuts. Anyway, there's shit going everywhere. I don't know, just weapons. It's okay, here we go. Remove this real quick. Just so I can show this. Scourge. Why the hell is he holding that? That's a bad idea. And why are those upside down? I don't own any figures using this mold. This is actually the first time. But it's, and considering, wow, that's actually got quite a bit of heft to it. And considering I was first introduced to Transformers Robots in Sky 2001 series, and I had to get him, especially after he was announced and everything. And I saw him in stores once, but nice toy. But that was around Christmas time, and well, like the past few times before, I was couldn't really get it because I was shopping for Christmas presents for everyone in my family. So yeah. Then it went on clearance, and it got bought up, and I never saw it again after that. And there's his sword. Hey, wait a minute, doesn't he have like a matrix? Yeah, it's right here in his chest. Okay, how the hell do you open his chest again? Push down or pull it up? Ah, okay. Okay, I see you pull it up. Ooh, look at that. That's nice. Wow, that's pretty hollow. Yeah, this piece should have been in here with this. Like, what the hell? It's just... Yeah. Okay, let's open you up. Oh, yeah, it's nice. Okay, that opens up. Nice. Okay, it's still going. I thought it stopped, but no, it didn't. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay, there. Yeah, that is quite literally everything. There's a mess. She loses shit.